In the previous video, I have created the generic repository pattern. In this video, I will demonstrate you how to create the author repository pattern or repository pattern for your classes. So first of all, I have to create the interface. Right click, add new class interface. Give the name IAuthor. Copy, add, implement generic interface. Pass your classes. Implement this author to repository. Add new class. The name author. Public. First implement the base repository. Now implement the base class constructor. In this way, I have to create the author repository. In next video, I will show you how to create the services.